Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix fast charging not working on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now first of all, just open settings, then tap on battery. And from here, you will find the option of charging settings. Just tap on it. Now if fast charging is not enabled on your Samsung phone, just enable it. But if it is already enabled and if fast charging is still not working, just disable it, then wait for a few seconds and enable it back on. After that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. And from here, just dial *9900#. Now from this list, just tap on battery stats reset. Now after you do that, you will reset the battery stats on your Samsung phone. Then go to your home screen and force restart your smartphone. For that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now just do that until the screen of your Samsung phone goes black and the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Once the Samsung logo appears on the screen, just release both of these buttons. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then just check your charging cable if it is damaged, or just use another charging cable to check if the issue is in the charging cable or not. Also, make sure you use Samsung's original 25-watt charger to get the maximum charging speed. Also, do not charge your phone in a warm environment and do not charge your phone when it is already warm, because the charging speed drops when your phone gets warm. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix fast charging not working on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.